Hey May, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. This is the video that I promised you, and all that I ask in return is that you just give me some feedback, maybe just let me know your thoughts on the video. So let's jump right into it. So I do work with general contractors across the United States by helping them bring more business in the door, and the general idea here is to rank in Google in this Google Map Pack and organically #1 overall for select key terms that are actually being searched by consumers every month. And I know that they're being searched by consumers because I use this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows me that just this word alone gets 150 searches. There's about 3 other keywords that equate to 260 searches every month. So as you can tell, that's quite a bit of people that are actively searching for you to come out and remodel their home, their kitchen, their bath. That's what a lot of these are. And so today I'm really going to be showing you 3 main ways that you can do to your website in order for it to start ranking here in the map pack and organically, #1. So the first thing is content on your home page. If I copy everything here that we see, including what these pictures are saved as, every word here, and I throw it into this word counter, it shows me that you guys have about 367 words. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and in those words they would want these word-specific keywords so that you become relevant to these searches here. Okay. The next thing is the back end of your website. So if we were to take your URL here and throw it into the other end of Ahrefs, it shows us the back end of your website. And as you can see, the health is pretty okay. If it was perfect, it would be 16 and 16. You want these numbers to be as close as possible. However, you only have 21 backlinks. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to yours, which passes power and relevance. And it's really kind of like a vote from their website to make you more relevant to these specific search terms. So this is a really good start, and you guys have a great foundation for this. However, you would need to build a little bit more on this in order for this trust flow from Google to go up to about the 20s and the 30s, and for this to match it as well. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you has everything to do with this Google Map Pack. And so basically we're going to use your competition as an example. You would want to have lots of citations. And what a citation is the business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook has a directory, the Chamber of Commerce, etc. All of those just help verify your business, especially in this Google My Business page. And then this will bring your conversion rate up to about 65% instead of 50%, because you're a lot more verified, not just in Google's eyes, but also in the consumer's eyes. So that concludes this video. I hope that it was worth your time. I do appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch it. And again, if you would just kind of give me some feedback from it, whether that be through phone call or email, I would greatly appreciate it. So thanks for your time.